After undergoing 2 of 3 major surgeries, 13-year-old stabbing victim Kemelia Paul, who was previously unconscious, is now responsive. Yanique Williams has more in this TVJ News follow-up.
Signs of hope are emerging in the recovery of 13-year-old Kemelia Paul, who continues to battle for recovery in hospital after being stabbed earlier this month. Family members say the Excelsior High student is now responsive after previously being unconscious and has successfully completed 2 of 3 major surgeries.
She's awake and she's replying like shake her head or nod her head if anything about her and anything. And she will pint and we give her a pen and a paper and she will write anything where about her. But she's not talking out her mouth.
Her mother says she's thankful for blood donations, which have been helping the teenager significantly. However, the battle still remains.
I went to the hospital yesterday and we spoke to one of the doctors. She was telling me that they get back the result and she have an infection on her chest and they want to give her some antibiotics to treat it. They want to take out the tube out of her mouth, but they want to see if the treatment get better for everything and it get worse. If them take out the tube, them have to end up with tube in her neck. And is that no, she not going to even talk. I'm just pray to Father God so them she don't have to get that worse for them to put the tube in her neck.
3 weeks ago, 13-year-old Kemelia Paul intervened after allegedly seeing her cousin's baby father assaulting the cousin during a dispute. The man reportedly turned on the teen and stabbed her in the abdomen. She was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital where she was in a coma. Kemelia's mother, Josephine Mitchell, says the outpouring of public support has brought comfort to the family during what she describes as one of the most challenging periods of their lives.
Their belly is still open and just praying for them to get over the 3rd surgery so them can finally sweat up. But for now, that's where she's at right now.
The teenager remains under medical care as doctors prepare for the 3rd surgery in her ongoing treatment process. The family is also welcoming financial support to help cover the cost of items required for the surgery and continue the treatment. Yanique Williams, TVJ News.